Hi guys, it's Angie. I'm coming today to do a quick DT share for Tracie Fox. That's Tracie Fox Creative. She is a digital kit artist, so if you head over to Etsy, you'll find all the kits that I did use in this journal. So the kits I used were rather grungy random labels, printmaker folio, which is a really big kit, her basic dials, and her stationery tags. Again, you'll find all those links below to the kits I did use. So these dials were kind of a flat dial, kind of show you here. Here's the kit printed out. So I thought it'd be fun to do it kind of in a 3D form. So there's the bulb, you guys. There's a real bulb in there, and then I had put, some transparency film on top, and everything you see here is just like repurposed. So this is kind of like a repurposed grungy kind of ink marks style combination journal. I really don't do themes, you guys. So, and mine are art journals, so you'll see what I mean by that inside. But anyways, let's look at the outside. So like I said, everything is repurposed. This is also from her kit, the front and back. And then this is just a piece of cardboard, you guys. I just rusted it up, made it look grungy like metal. This is a piece of sari ribbon. I've been using wraps for my journals, which I think they look just like grungy and textured. So I'll take that out really quick. And here's a bolt and a wing nut, some fabric, a key, some cheesecloth. This is a nail. I don't know what kind of look I was going for. I just love to layer, add texture, grunginess. So yeah, so we'll get right into this. So here is a lot of her kit. Everything is cut out. This one is, most of it in this kit is the printmaker's folio. I didn't make a folio, but I used everything in that folio kit, a lot of it, and cut a lot of things out. These are her tags, lots of cutouts, lots of fun stuff. Made the tags, just kind of grunge them up. This is from her kit as well. This is from the random labels, or grungy random labels there. I just like that it had numbers, so I thought it went well with it. Same for this one, and then I just backed it with some metal there. And then have some wire. I just like texture, and this is her dials as well. So anyways, this is like some fabric here. And my art journals, like I said, my pages are, some of them they're just tea stained. I don't do a lot of drawing or art because they're art journals. I allow you to do that yourself. So I really take my time and make signature covers to go with them. So a lot of my time is in the covers, the making of the book, and the signature covers. Along with the pages, I just don't go in and add a lot of filler, which is just been my thing for a while. I mean, I do them now and then. I have 3 other journals I'm working on, so I might fill them up a little bit differently. But again, this is my painted papers as well. So there is a little bit in there. It's fun. But you could take, stamp, emboss, add things, add flip outs to these pages. This is part of her kit as well, with a tag. That's the back of that. And this is, again, these are all from the print maker's folio. There's a little bit of that. If you're not in her group, please go head over to her group. I'll leave a link to that as well. Her group is a lot of fun. It's very encouraging. A lot of fun people in there. A lot of amazing talent. Again, those are my painted papers, and then just tea stained. There's the back of that one. And then this is the number 3. And this is a zipper, you guys. I also use the zipper on the top as a headband. I thought that was fun to... Here, I'll show you. See right there, you guys? It's like a headband. I use that as a faux headband. This is a cool little drawer, metal drawer, rusty metal drawer. And then again, my print. Some more tea stained. In the back with another big tag. And here's the back. And then I always add like an envelope. Most of my journals in this little kind of cute little safety pin, some layering there. Again, I used her folio cover as a pocket. And then there's just some book pages and whatnot inside that pocket. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. I hope you like this cute little journal. It was a lot of fun to make. Thank you so much, Tracie, for a lot you do for your DT and your community, your Facebook group. Like I said, if you do not follow her, please head over to the links below. Her group is a lot of fun and she's super talented. She has awesome, awesome kits. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.